video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to install a washing machine by yourself without need of a plumber. So right here I have a 7 kilograms Hisense washing machine. It is a front loader. This is its plug. This is the outlet pipe. This is the inlet pipe that you connect onto your source of water. So we shall be putting this end onto the tap, and this end will be connected onto the machine. This end is connected onto the source of water. This is my outlet, and this is where I'm going to be connecting my pipe for the washing machine. As you can see, the first water is dirty, and this is where I'm going to be connecting my inlet for the washing machine. So you're going to bring this end of the pipe and connect it onto that outlet, just like this. And then this outlet pipe, for now, it will be emptying into this sink because I don't have an outlet to put it. But if you do have an outlet, you just connect it to the outlet, preferably that pipe that goes outside. Another thing, you shouldn't forget to remove these screws at the back of the washing machine, because if you don't remove them, this will cause the machine to shake while it's trying to spin. So you have to remove all 4 of these and then replace them with the covers that are given to you. These 4 are covers for the holes that are left behind. This is the pipe that takes out the water. It's directed onto the sink. So all is connected. This is the inlet, and that's the outlet. The outlet is leading straight in the open, and then this pipe is connected to the sink just right here. So if you want to use the machine, after turning it on, you open this tap. So this is my current setup. I'm going to plug the machine into that extension. Please make sure that your extension is strong enough. Next up, I'm choosing a setting. For this case, I'm going to use this cotton because I have beddings and towels loaded.